Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ideal Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one story generator project in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like enjoying my previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things and more new projects which I will be uploading in future. And I hope you will be also enjoy that projects which we are working in future. So just you have to practice that all things. And now we will be starting with our story generator in Python. So for making a story generator, obviously first of all we have to make one Python file. So here I'll be going to my Python projects. So like telling you previously, I will be working with my PyCharm text editor. The previous one project of desktop notifier app was just for VS Code. So because of that I'm using VS Code for that. Now here I'll be pressing right click on my Python projects, going to new, pressing Python file here, then giving the name. So you can just write generator.py, then press enter, and you can see your file has been just made. You have to just zoom in here so you can see just see my codes which I will be writing here. So just I will be zoom in. So you can see now when you've just done with that all thing, first of all you have to go to terminal and download one thing which is called here it is called you have to write pip install, then it is called random. So here you have to download random like previously. I am just telling you how to download by writing pip install random. Then I am telling them for which is just coming new here. So I'll be pressing enter here. Then it will be take some time to just install here pip install random, and you can see it is just giving error because I've just already installed this pip install random here. Now I will be doing one thing, like I'll be minimizing that here. Then I will be just coming here creating import random. So you can see I've just written import random, but for that your random should be just download in your computer. If you just download PyCharm new, so here you have to just not to download, because here it is just coming automatically downloaded. But I am just telling for those users just which have delete this random and don't think like it is not work. So here because of that I'm telling like you can just download like that by writing pip install random, then it will be download. Or if you don't update that, so you can also update to the latest version. But if you just install with PyCharm, so it is coming with older version, you can also update that to a new version, like I've just already do that. So here I will be coming underneath and writing a tag which should be print, and I will be writing like hello, what is reader name. So here I will be writing that because here we are making story generator, and a story generator you have to also build your reader name, like what is your reader name here. Then I will be doing one thing, like I will be pressing enter here because I want it in second line. Then I will be coming here creating input, and here I will be writing that like what is your reader name. So here I'll be writing again because here it is asking question now. So when you've just done that, so I'm telling you previously also, like this will be just generated this thing in its own, like I've just telling you. So here when you've just done that, I will be coming here and I will be just writing here like that, and here I will be writing like reader name equal input. Then I'll be writing hello reader name. So here I am writing this because what the reader name is you have to write, then it say the hello to reader name which you have written. Then I will be coming underneath and creating a tag which will be just like print, and I'll be writing like what is your reader name. So when you just done that, write question mark, come underneath here also. Then here when you just done with that thing, press backspace here. Then I will be coming here also creating input tag and writing like reader name. So here I'll be writing reader name, and I'll be writing 2 colons of semicolon. So when you've just done that, I will be coming here creating a tag which will be print, from which you can just print anything which you want to in your Python file here. So I will be just writing here like animals. So here I'll be writing that. You have to close this file here. Okay, so there is not any close tag in Python. You have to save here by pressing save all, or you can save as also if you don't save your file. So here when you've just done that all things, you have to do one thing, like you have to just come here and I'll be changing this to story. Okay, so it is already here. So when you've just done that, I'll be closing this file here, and I will be coming here and writing that to like input. So now I will be writing like name equal input. Then here I will be writing like, just change this to like hello, and I will be writing reader name. So when you've just done that, I will be changing this to like, here I'll be coming forward and I will be writing here like comma and right here story, and when you've just done that, I will be erasing and writing this colon, then I'll be writing a story in that. So when you've just done that, you have to come underneath here, creating a tag which should be just having print, and in this print I will be writing reader name, but I will be writing reader name like that because here we have written the tag of reader name at the top. Now come underneath here, create input, then in that input I will be writing here like hello. Okay, so I'll be writing, just you have to close that because here it's already asking you to download Git, but I will be not doing that. Then I'll be writing hello, how are you. So here it will be changed its own wording if I just here write that. So we have to just write it also in two columns here. So just come underneath here also, then I will be writing that to like print, and I will be writing that to like again but I will be not writing this column, I will be writing animals here. Then I will be coming underneath creating animals, and I will be writing that to equal, and just you have to change this to like here I will be writing that to dragon if I write here. Then when you've just done that, you have to do one thing, you have to come here and write comma, then write here like elephant, then here I will be coming and creating that to like mouse. Okay, so I'll be not writing that, I'll be writing tiger. Then here I'll be also writing like lion, like that I'll be writing animal names here. So when you've just done with that things, I will be pressing save all button here also. So when you've just done with that all things, I will be coming underneath here, and here I will be changing this to like input, then write input, right like that. Then in this input tag I will be changing this to like hello world, like that. So it is good. So when you've just done with that things here, so you have to do one thing, like you have to just hit save here. Then you can already download, if you download, so you can just go to terminal and download, which is an important tag which is called pip install pillow, because it is really important tag which you have to just download, and it will be also taking some time, like some of the minutes, 10 minutes to 15 minutes it will be taking to download. So here you have to download that which is called pillow, because it is really important tag here in Python, which you can use to just learn many other things. Then you can also write pip install, and you can just install world. Here I'll be writing that, press enter, and it will be take some time to just download. You can see that this is collecting the world and it is just installing. You can see now setup is installed, and this world is a tag from which you can just use that, or you can also download, if you can't download this, you can download wheel here, pip install wheel if you write. So now you can see that it is also the same version of that, but now it is just update to a newest version. So because of that, both versions are just different from each other. Now I will be doing one thing, like I will be just hitting save button here, so it is good. So now you can just go with your file. So when you've just done with that things here, you have to do one thing, like you have to just run that here if you want to, so you can run. But I will be doing one thing, like first of all I will be coming here and I will be changing this to like print, and here I will be writing that to like animals, comma, and I'll be writing that to reader name, so it should be just not like that. Then I'll be writing story. So when you've just done that all, just you have to do one thing, like you have to come underneath here also. Then I will be writing here like print, and I'll be writing a story, because now we have to just print our story which we have defined till here. Now when you've just done that with all things, you have to do nothing, you have to save here. Then go to the top of this and create a story tag, in which I will be writing like hello user. So here I'll be writing your animal name. So here I'll be writing like your, okay, so I'll be not writing user, I'll be writing reader name which we have defined. So I'll be writing reader name here, then I'll be writing your animal name. When you just done that, come forward and create like I'll be writing now user name. Okay, so right there. So that is perfect. So when you've just done with that things here, you have to do nothing, close. You don't have to close that also, because here we will be not writing in brackets. I'll be writing simply like that. Now here I will be just coming and print my user tag here. So just done that, go to the top, and here you have to just complete that by writing user equal, and I'll be writing that to like this is new user. Then here you have to do nothing, save here, and it is good to go. So here it is the latest which I have just done that. So you can also generate your Python into latest version, like I have shown you the website where it is, from which you can just download your Python. So here you have to write python dot, here I will be writing python.org. It is an official website from which you can just download Python's versions which are just coming newest. So you can see that you can go to downloads, download newest version which is of Python. Like for Windows, this is the new version, I have just update to that. Or if you just have older version of Python, so you can also update that by going to command prompt and check this. So here you can see that how good looking is that. Okay, so if I just go to command prompt here, then if I write here like python dash version, press enter, you can see this is the version of python 8 3.8.5. so because of that this is not the latest version here. Latest version is this. You can also update that. If I write python and if I write here like dash dash update, press enter, you can see this is not the option here. So you can just update it by writing this command, because here it is also. So you can just copy the code from here also and just paste that in your command prompt to just update that. Or if you want to download, so you can just download simply from there like I've shown you. So you have to do nothing, just you have to minimize that, and now we have to just run that story which we have just written here. So for running that you have to just simply have to press this run button and press stop and rerun, because here we have to just run that again. So you can see that now it is asking hello reader name, what is your name here. So I will be writing Inshal, press enter. Here you can see there is written like hello Inshal, once upon a time was a hello, what are you doing called Ali. Okay, so these names which is coming, it is random names coming which I have just taken from the website. So because of that I have written reader name like that. So if I just minimize that and run it again, it will be all coming random, because I have just used this import random tag to just take this all things randomly. So here if I write my name again, you can see there is coming once upon a time there was a hello, what are you doing called Carrie. You can see name is changing here again and again, and this is the story like thing which I have written. You can see that, and like that you can also define your own story in your own words like I have defined. So I can just define that all things here, and these things which you will be just doing, so it will be just good practice for you, and you will be adding your own things. Like if you just copy paste, so it will be not any practice here. You can just yeah, you can also do one thing, like you can remember these codes in your mind, and you can also add your own things for your practice here. And you can also do more other things with that, like I'm telling you in clones also, when we are making, like you have to add more your new features and more new things which you want to add. Okay, so and you can also give me guidelines like what things I will be just adding to in my Python clones and everything like that. So just here you have to practice these all project we are working with, and I am just telling you like all the projects should be just 10 minutes above. So it will be not really big deal to just do that all things, because here it is just easy to do. But after when we will be just coming on data sciences of Python, so it will be just really hard to do. But you have to just give your best to do that projects also in future which we will be coming up. So like that you have to do these all things, and I will be just meet you in next project. So for today I will be just meet you in next project.